You know what else I like to do during the evening times? I like to make a nice drink. Why don't you come with me and I'll show you how to make an excellent cocktail. Alright, so before we even begin, since we're making an elegant evening drink, we should dress the parts. Okay, now we're ready to begin making our cocktail. Okay, so to start, you're going to need a couple of things. You're going to need a rocks glass, some hot licks, some bitters, some sugar, and your finest bourbon. Once you get those things set up, you're ready to begin. Okay, so your first step here is you want to grab a bowl, grab one of your links. You want to really twist the link, kind of get all the aromatics out of there. Very important step. You want to rub it around the bowl. And what you want to do is grab a strainer, place over, and now what we're going to be doing is just kind of getting some of those juices off the hot link and into the bowl. There we go. Once you're done draining the essence of the hot link, the juices, into the bowl, what you're going to do is you're going to cut in half and begin frying. Oh. Get your pan heated up. You're going to get a little bit of oil on there, you know. I'm going to have that be on the side because I've already shown you that, so we'll just do that in the background. Once you get your essence here, you want to take your glass, have it all set, and spread it around. You want to pour it in here. Just get the essence all in that thing. You get all sorts of situated. Once you've got the entire glass coated, good to splash it away. Now you're on to making kind of a regular old-fashioned. I'm lacking sugar cubes at the moment, so what you want to do is you can just get your hand in there, sprinkle a little sugar on there. That's the good stuff. A couple dashes of Angostura bitters. Some bourbon. And if it's a hot day, like it is for me today, you add some ice. Once you got all your ingredients in here, you can stir them all up. And now you're almost ready for the ultimate evening cocktail. We got our hot links been cooking a little bit. You don't want them cooking too long. They need to be fresh and whatnot, so to speak. You want to cut them up, cut one up at least, into little cubes. That'll be your dressing. The other one, a little twist of hot link there. Okay, all you gotta do, add little bits. Drink. And off a little twist for garnish. You have yourself a wonderful evening cocktail. Once you're finished creating the perfect evening cocktail, all that's left to do is enjoy it. Cheers. It's delicious. The perfect nightcap. There's one more thing you need for your night of elegance. What goes better with an old fashioned and a good old cigar? In this time of quarantine and crisis, it's always nice to sit back and enjoy the finer things in life. Have a good one out there, folks. See you again next time.